E-learning is something you are all familiar with. Technically, e-learning is the delivery of instruction online using the internet. Some people refer to it as web-based training, computer-based training, or online learning. Trainees can access content during live instruction in the classroom, or they may complete a portion of or an entire course online. When programs are entirely online, learners have a great deal of control over what they learn, when they learn it, and the pace at which they learn it. While online instructors do provide feedback, there is usually very little interaction between learners. This method is most effective when it prompts learners to practice newly learned capabilities, either at work or in some other live situation, and then report back to the class, to the instructor about that experience. E-learning also tends to be more effective when trainees have plenty of opportunities to interact with the material, the trainers, and other learners. And when the text is combined with audiovisual techniques, links to other resources, and a visually appealing format. One of the obvious advantages of e-learning is that it allows us to train employees who do not work in the same location. It's also useful for teaching not only employees, but also customers, vendors, and other stakeholders. One of the reasons that e-learning works so well is that it gives learners more control over the learning process. Content can be accessed at any time and from any computer. One of the other benefits is that it standardizes the delivery of instruction, which can make it cheaper and faster to deliver to a large number of people. However, the development of online learning can be expensive and time-consuming. Your textbook estimates that it takes approximately 38 hours to design a single hour of instruction. Fortunately, this extra cost can be offset by a reduction in administration costs over a long period of time. Another disadvantage is that it requires trainees to have basic computer knowledge and may not be effective for people with low self-efficacy or low motivation. E-learning also lacks practice opportunities, which we know can be a major drawback to any training method or program.